everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the camera not focusing issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on scroll down and search camera. After click on camera, click on force stop and click on OK. After click on OK, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and you will see auto focus is here. Make sure turn on autofocus and turn on autofocus. After turn on autofocus, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go back to home screen. And if you want to fix this problem, so again click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Scroll down to and click on reset settings and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix the camera not focusing issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.